Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the second video of the skincare week and I'm going to show you guys a very affordable skincare routine that is going to give you great, beautiful, clear skin at a very affordable price without burning a hole in your pocket. So if you want to find out what these products are, then please keep on watching. So step number one is cleansing, and I have this Derma cleanse by Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. Now this one retails at rupees 265 only, and the one that I have is actually a acne prone skin variant. This one is for greasy skin, but if you have like dry skin or if you have any other skin concerns, these come in different varieties, so you will find a variant that suits your skin needs. I will have the link to this product in the description box, and now let's go and cleanse my face. Number two after cleansing is toning. That is what the T in CTM stands for. So I have this Biotique honey water toner. It's 100% natural and supposedly meant for all skin types. It's a pore tightening toner and it's also very affordable at only rupees 175. Now a slight problem that I have with this toner is actually how acetone it feels on my skin, like I'm putting on acetone on my skin. Like, you know, when you have like those nail enamel removers that have like an acetone feeling, this is similar to that. So that's like a slight issue I have with this, but otherwise it's a great toner and also really affordable. So I'm going to recommend this for your skincare.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So I actually lost the footage where I was explaining about this moisturizer, so I'm going to talk you through this one. So this is a very simple moisturizer by the brand Simple, and this is especially great for people who have like oily skin and don't want to use a heavy moisturizer, because this is so lightweight, it sinks into the skin within seconds, and is also great for people who have sensitive skin because it does not have any smell or whatsoever, and this is affordable. It's below 500, so I think this is like a great pick if you're just starting out with your skincare journey, and you can try this out. That was a general CTM routine that you're supposed to follow throughout the week. During the weekends, I do recommend a little pampering session for your skin, which is why I have a face mask for you. This is by the brand called Matra, which is a very affordable brand on Nykaa. I just discovered it and I'm in love with the product by this brand. The variant that I have is called French Green Clay Mask. It's called green tea and rice enzymes. This is like an anti-acne slash detan face mask, but again they have different varieties of it, so find a variant that will suit your skin needs. And this is also very affordable, and it actually gives you a free brush to apply. It has a slightly funky liquid dishwasher smell, but the product is nice, it works great on the skin, and I think perfect for the weekends for your pampering session that is also very affordable. that is it for this video. Hope you will try out the products and let me know how they work for you, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Till then, take care, and I love you all so much. Bye.